Hello friends, Anocovax, India's first COVID-19 vaccine for animals. Anocovax is the first Indian COVID-19 vaccine for animals. It has been developed by Haryana's ICAR National Research Centre on Equines. Anocovax vaccine is safe for dogs, lions, leopards, mice and rabbits and offers protection against both Delta and Omicron. The institute also launched antibody detection kits for animals. The vaccine is an inactivated SARS-CoV-2 Delta COVID-19 vaccine. It also contains L-hydrogel as an adjuvant. In April 2021, Russia became the first country in the world to register a vaccine for animals, Carnivac against COVID-19.